I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play arm wrestling. To begin, both competitors place their elbows on the pad and grip hands firmly, ensuring thumbs are wrapped around each other's hand. Your shoulders must be square to the table, and the referee will ensure a fair starting position. The goal is to pin your opponent's hand to the pad. Remember, proper setup is crucial for a strong start and a fair match. Mastering techniques is vital for victory. The top roll involves pulling your opponent's fingers back and rotating your wrist outwards, aiming to gain control of their hand. Conversely, the hook utilizes a strong bicep curl and inward wrist flexion, keeping your hand close to your body. Always use your entire body weight, leaning into the pull, to maximize your power and leverage against your opponent. Safety and fair play are paramount in arm wrestling. Common fouls include lifting your elbow from the pad, touching your body with your free hand, or breaking the grip. The referee will call these fouls, and 2 fouls typically result in a loss. It is crucial to maintain a firm grip and proper form. Always prioritize safety. If you feel any sharp pain, immediately stop the match to prevent serious injury. To excel in arm wrestling, dedicated training is essential. Focus on exercises that strengthen your forearms, wrists, and biceps. Forearm curls, wrist rotations, and hammer curls are excellent for building specific arm wrestling muscles. Incorporate grip strength training with tools like grip trainers or by performing heavy deadlifts. Consistent practice, even against a weaker opponent, will refine your technique and build the endurance needed for sustained matches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.